요즘 그걸 하지 못해 잠도 설치는 주인공 벤자민. 이내 곁에 잠들어 있는 애인의 허리를 감싸 안아 봅니다.
Ben, what do you think you're doing?
This is...
Ben, we agreed. No more sex until we get married.
Yeah, okay. Don't worry, Samantha. I'll pass with flying colors.
사만다의 생각대로 결혼식 때까지만 참아보기로 하죠. 이젠 회사의 여자만 봐도 심쿵하기 시작하고 정말 미칠 것만 같습니다. 그런 사정을 알았던 회사 동료 게럿이 그를 기다리고 있었죠.
You and Samantha still not having sex?
Is that obvious?
I feel your pain, Chief.
그를 위해 선물을 준비했습니다.
For you.
What's this?
The best sex you're not having. And it's absolutely guilt-free.
A virtual sex program? Are you serious?
게임으로 그게 될 리는 없다며 위화하죠.
Have you tried this?
Hey, I don't kiss and tell. Now what is it?
그렇게 동료는 돌아가고 그냥 장난치는 거라 생각이 됩니다. 하지만 호기심에 게임을 해보기로 하는데 가짜지만 진짜 같은 어떤 곳에 도착했던 남자.
Hi, Ben.
뒤에서 아리따운 어떤 여자가 벤자민을 부릅니다.
I've been waiting for you.
갑자기 다가와 키스를 해버리고 오랜만에 키스에 미칠 것만 같은 벤자민.
Oh, you taste great.
So do you?
갑자기
Or something nice?
신디는 진도를 나가버리죠.
Hey, mister.
키스의 다음 단계인 그 단계까지 경험을 하게 된 남자.
You're sweet. Considerate.
결국 벤자민은 지려버립니다. 정말 진짜 같던 상황에 그것에 대한 욕심은 사라지고 애인에게 더 잘할 수 있게 된 남자.
What's the occasion?
Oh, no occasion.
We're not having sex, Benjamin.
No, that's fine with me.
Reverse psychology is not going to work.
What are you talking about?
Serious.
Well, no, I'm being serious. I mean, about loving you, not about the flowers.
You're the only man I'll ever love.
그때 갑자기 전화가 울립니다.
Hello.
Ben,
Yes.
it's me, Cindy.
Cindy who?
갑자기 당황하죠.
It's Cindy? Who is this really?
I told you. It's me, Cindy.
Cindy from this morning?
Just hearing the sound of your voice again gives me butterflies.
Oh no, butterflies. You're a computer program. You can.
Who is it?
Oh, it's some.
말도 안 되는 상황에 얼버무리는 남자.
Yeah, this can wait until the morning. We'll discuss it then.
Will you promise to come see me first thing?
Yeah, sure, fine.
Can't wait for you to hold me in your arms again. It was so...
Is everything all right?
Great. Yeah, something came up. Nothing. I mean, everything's under control.
아무튼 위기 상황은 탈출하게 됩니다. 출근한 그는 약속대로 게임에 접속하려 하지만 왠지 사만다에게 미안하고
Must have been a glitch of some sort.
그냥 무시하고 일을 하려는 그때
What you doing, Ben? Didn't you make a little promise to me last night?
Is this part of the program? Why don't I come visit you after work?
And afterwards, will you hold me for a while?
Touching, whatever you want.
오싹했던 그는 또다시 신디를 피해버렸죠. 야근이 끝났지만 미저리 같은 신디와 만날 생각은 1도 없는 남자. 그냥 퇴근해버리고
Ben?
아무 생각 없이 엘리베이터를 타는 순간 갑자기 엘리베이터를 세워버린 신디.
Hey there, mister. Aren't you forgetting something?
Start the elevator.
Not until we get a few things straightened out. Ben, I know you like me.
Yes. Like you. I like you. But I love Samantha.
I meant nothing to you, and it was just a fling.
Yes, you meant nothing to me. It was just a fling, a one-night stand.
엘리베이터에 가두고 갑자기 사라져버리는데 방법이 없습니다.
Cindy, don't leave me. Cindy.
Okay. I made a mistake. A big mistake. I should have come to see you. Cindy, please. I'll do anything you want. Anything you want. Forgive me.
그렇게 다시 그녀를 구슬리고
I just want to be with you, Ben.
어쩔 수 없이 다시 사무실에 돌아오게 됩니다.
I'm waiting.
I have to use the men's room.
감시 카메라가 없는 곳에서 동료 게럿에게 급하게 전화를 해보기로 하죠. 시간이 얼마나 흘렀을까요? 기다리다 미칠 것만 같은 시간들.
What are you trying to kill me? Why couldn't I take the elevator?
It's safe. Nowhere safe.
25 stories!
Okay, how much longer?
Don't rush me. Ones and zeros is wrapped in the cutest, hottest little body. You're lost. You're lost. I push this key. And that's it. Cindy vanishes from your life forever.
Terminator.
결국 캐럿의 도움으로 신디의 위협에서 탈출하게 됩니다.
Trouble with my hard drive. I can't access any of my files.
You want me to check it out?
I'll open the wine.
어떻게 된 걸까요? 다시 나타난 신디.
Terminator. Did I actually hear you say Terminator?
No. You can't be here. We got rid of you.
Having any luck?
Why don't we pop some popcorn? We'll watch a movie.
Wine and popcorn.
Yeah, stick a bag in the microwave. I'll see what's on.
Sometimes you can be so cute.
Why are you trying to hurt me, Ben? I love you.
하지만 TV나 전화기를 통해 계속해서 그 앞에 나타나고 이래서는 사만다에게 들킬 것만 같았던 그는 최후의 방법을 사용하기로 하는데
Yeah, the office called. There's a fire I have to put out. I gotta go.
곧바로 신디에게 찾아간 남자.
Hi.
What took you so long?
Oh, well.
다가가 먼저 키스를 해버리는데 하지만 뭔가 이상한 걸 그녀에게 넣어버렸던 것입니다.
What did you do to me?
I stopped by Garrett's.
But why?
Being with you made me realize how much I really love Samantha.
그제서야 완전히 사라져버렸던 신디. 해피엔딩으로 끝나려 할 때 그때쯤 사만다에게서 전화가 걸려오죠.
Hello.
Ben, are you okay?
Yeah, it looks that way.
Look, I know it's late, but could you stop by the store on your way home?
Great. So I'll see you soon.
No need to hurry.
I love you.
Me too. Bye.
Bye.
그녀의 행동이 이상하죠.
Ben, we agreed. No more sex until we get married.
사실 벤보다 먼저 신디와 미래를 즐기고 있었던 사만다.
Sorry I'm late. I was dealing with my fiancé. If I didn't know better, I'd swear he was cheating on me.
Man.
사만다는 배우자를 속이고 신디는 양다리를 걸치고 있었던 것입니다. 두 번째 이야기가 바로 이어집니다. 이제는 얼굴의 외모조차도 아름다움을 강조하는 전체주의 사회가 되어버렸고 못생긴 얼굴을 가진 자넷은 아름다운 얼굴을 가지기 위해 수술을 11번째 받고 있었죠. 그녀가 법적으로 성형할 기회는 이번이 마지막. 만약 성공한다면 사회생활을 할 수 있지만 실패한다면 못생긴 사람들만 존재하는 수용소에서 생활해야만 하는데 그녀의 운명은 어떻게 될까요? 잠에서 깨어난 주인공 자넷.
Is it night already?
It's 9:30.
What about the day? Was the sun out? Was it warm?
Suppose there were. I never was much for staring up at the sky all the time. It's time to take your temperature now.
Just one other thing. When will they take the bandages off?
어릴 적 못생긴 얼굴 때문에 힘들었던 여자.
Ever since I was a little girl, I just wanted people not to scream when they looked at me.
Easy. Easy. Let me take your temperature.
도시 사람들과 생활하기 위해 성형수술을 계속해야 했었던 자넷. 이번엔 수술이 성공할 수 있을까요?
Dr. Bernardi, evening report on patient 307. Resting comfortably, no temperature change.
Thank you, nurse. I'll be right down. Any thyroid reaction since the latest round of injections?
Nothing out of the ordinary.
We'll have those bandages off you very shortly. Is this your 9th procedure?
The 11th.
Should this last procedure prove to be unsuccessful, The state will allow you to live comfortably.
I don't want to live among freaks. I want to live among normal people. And what gives you the right to decide where I live and how I live?
I am just a doctor. Only the state can determine social policy. All we can do is follow the rules that they lay down for us.
The state isn't God, Doctor.
Miss Tyler, please.
It hasn't the right to make ugly mess a crime.
Miss Tyler!
못생기면 수용소로 끌려가는 이상한 세상. 못난 인간들과 살아가는 게 두렵기만 한 여자. 그렇게 떨리는 시간이 흐르고 의사는 붕대를 풀기로 결정하는데
Then in the end, you cross your fingers and hope for a miracle.
Doctors decided to remove the bandages in 307. He wants to have the anesthetist stand by.
Now, as I unwrap, I want you to keep your eyes open as each layer of those bandages come off.
All right.
떨리는 순간 한 겹씩 붕대가 풀리기 시작하고
You see any light now, Miss Tyler?
Just a little.
I'm at the last layer now, Miss Tyler.
But I can see you.
I want you to remember one thing, Miss Tyler. We've done all we could. Remain very quiet, please. And keep your eyes open. I wish you every good luck.
얼굴을 본 순간 갑자기 놀라는 사람들.
No change. No change at all.
얼굴이 예쁜데도 여자는 경악하고 그녀는 아름다움이 뒤바뀐 세상에서 태어났던 것입니다.
We must no longer.
흉악하게 생기지 않으면 범죄자가 되는 세상. 이제는 기회가 없어져 버린 여자.
Conformity. Don't be afraid, Miss Tyler. This is a representative of the group you're to live with.
This is Mr. Smith.
Did you get your things now? We can leave anytime.
Mr. Smith, why are some of us born so ugly?
It doesn't really matter. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
아름다움의 기준은 어디에 있을까요? 아마 바라보는 사람들의 눈에 있지는 않을까요? 우리가 돼지라면 돼지가 아름다워 보이듯 보이는 대로의 눈이 아니라 마음의 눈으로 상대를 바라보기를 바라며